Grab your coffee, hot chocolate, or tea, whatever it may be. It's time for your caffeine dose of life insurance. Welcome to an episode of Coffee with Coletta. Welcome. Today we're going to be talking about our life insurance policy benefits guarantee. That's right, our life insurance benefits policies, our life insurance policy benefits guaranteed. That's what we're going to be talking about today. So go ahead and grab your coffee, your hot chocolate, your tea, whatever it may be, and get ready to find out what's guaranteed in your life insurance policy. So you guys, welcome back. As I said, we're going to be talking about what features or benefits that are guaranteed in your life insurance policy. Now, when we're talking about guaranteed, that's the key word, guaranteed, right? So as we know, you can purchase life insurance that's term. We have term life insurance. We have whole life insurance. Of course, there's things in between. You know, we have variable, we have index, we have universal. Those are all different types of other insurance policies too. But I don't talk about those mostly here on this channel. Of course, I am aware of those and very educated and knowledgeable about those. But my channel is about keeping it simple. So I do want to continue to keep it simple and to educate you guys on the basics now, which is more than enough, okay? But there are different things that do exist in between. So if you're looking for something that's guaranteed, having a variable life insurance or something that's universal or based on index, those type of things, if you're not sure what they mean, don't worry about it. If you do know, then you know. But I will tell you for sure, if you're hearing those words right there, involved with the life insurance, it doesn't mean anything's wrong with it. They definitely have their place and ways to be used, I would say. But that's once you definitely have the basics down. So I also understand those as well, but they can be used in addition to your main life insurance. They can be used for different things is what I would suggest. That's something you would want to discuss maybe with your life insurance broker or your life insurance agent. But mainly, I don't get into that. I like to educate you on the basic things right now. But of course, we're just going to get back to the subject. I just wanted to let you know that, of course, those things exist and that I am aware of that. But that's just not what we're discussing today. All right. So as I was saying about that, those are the things that you want to look into. So if you hear those keywords, understand they have their place. And I think they're good to be used in addition to. But if you're looking for guaranteed, what you want to think about is whole life. So think about whole life, think about guaranteed. Think about it that way. Whole equals guaranteed. Okay. Of course, we know about the term. Terms are those that are cut off. They have a cutoff time, whether it's 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, even 30 years later, they're going to cut off. So once that cuts off, then you're going to have to reapply again at the age that you're at. Now, of course, I also want to mention, I understand there are different types of term policies. If I can talk today, guys, it's the coffee. There are different types of term policies that will allow you to convert over into a whole policy. But again, that's not the case here today. I just want to let you guys know that I'm aware of that. But let's just keep it simple and understand with the whole life policy, then that's when you think permanent, okay? That's when you think guaranteed, because your premium, which is the monthly payment that you pay every month, is not going to change with that. The coverage that you have, that's not going to change as long as you're still paying your policy. They cannot change your premium. They cannot change your monthly payment if you get a guarantee. Now, some people do realize that once you get a guarantee, it may be a little bit higher than what it was when you had a term. It's a reason for that. That reason is because that guaranteed whole life includes other features, benefits, if you would say, that are included. And it's also what it says, your whole life. You don't have to keep starting over and reapplying. You don't have to do any of those things, right? We're not trying to keep starting over. We don't want to keep doing that. Now, of course, term does have its reasons and its time and its place for whatever you need to use it for. But we're talking about guaranteed. So if you are looking for something that's guaranteed, you want to put in your mind, whole equals guaranteed. Okay, whole equals guaranteed. So keep that in mind. So that's what you want to know. You have a guaranteed premium, which is what you pay every month. You have that guaranteed coverage. It's not going to change. And none of that's going to change as long as you continue to pay your premium every month. And the cash value, it is going to obviously depend on the insurance company. But Just keep in mind, they will guarantee you get a certain amount. Once you get that illustration, you see all of that, it's going to guarantee you at least a certain amount. That's what you don't get when you have a variable or universal or index. Those things aren't based on the market per se, and they can go up and go down. You do have a safety point. Don't get me wrong. Like I said, they have their time and their usage for when you need them. That's why I said maybe in addition to. But if you're wanting to know, you just want that solid answer of, hey, you're going to have this amount of coverage. Hey, this is what your premium is going to be. Hey, you know, you're going to at least you're going to be able to see at least the amount of certain cash value you want to have. Then that's when you want to go for the whole life policy. Okay. So that's what you want to go for. I hope you guys have learned a lot from this today. It's just a caffeine dose of life insurance. That's all it is. Nothing to overwhelm y'all, but I hope you all enjoyed your day. Make sure you share. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you go to the link if you need assistance in the bio or in the description box, depending upon where you're seeing this video at. Make sure that you like it, because we're talking about things that's guaranteed. So remember, if you're looking for that, that's what you want to find out. Until then, tell your family, followers, and your friends that they too can get a policy that they can call their own. So I will see you guys next time for another dose of Coffee with Coletta. Bye.